endeavor to operate as a company with purpose and the focus on executing our strategy continues to deliver strong financial results. In FY17, we grew at 14.8% year over year, stronger than the 13.8% registered in FY16. Excluding the one-off write-back of 3.4 billion shillings, underlying EBIT was 67 billion shillings, a 21.6% year-over-year growth. Thanks to the strong trading performance, our underlying net income improved by 18.3% year-over-year. I would attribute the strong financial performance primarily to the 3 million additional Kenyans who have chosen to be Safaricom customers. In the financial year, we invested 38 billion shillings in capex and spectrum, and we believe customers rewarded our efforts to improve the coverage, capacity, and quality of network. Our business model is relatively robust thanks to the fact that we are able to sustain and grow the traditional telco revenue streams like voice while managing to accelerate the growth in mobile data and financial services. M-Pesa contributed roughly 50% of the 14.8% service revenue growth. This was driven by the growth in bread and butter M-Pesa business as well as new businesses. Mobile data contributed 30% of the growth in financial year 17. Half of the growth was driven by increase in active data customers and the other half was driven by increase in consumption. We had accelerated our 3G and 4G rollouts in the year, which we believe contributed to the acceleration of data revenue growth. We continue to report both EBITDA and EBIT, but have moved the guidance to EBIT. Given the high capex spend in the industry, we believe EBIT is a better measure of financial performance than EBITDA. Management's financial targets given by the board has also shifted to EBIT, and hence it aligns perfectly. We haven't changed our policy. As a policy, we pay progressive dividends every year. Thanks to the support from our shareholders, we have a strong balance sheet, which provided us an opportunity to pay a one-time special dividend in addition to the normal dividend. As the name indicates, it's a special dividend and not something that we would plan to do every year. Worth noting, however, that the normal dividend we declared last year is in itself a 27.5% improvement year over year. A significant portion of the transactions in Kenya are still done in cash, and hence a real opportunity is enabling Kenyans to move increasingly to the digital way of life. M-Pesa has evolved a long way from being a person-to-person service and is now an integral part of Kenyan people's daily life. New business streams now constitute circa 25% of our M-Pesa revenues. We believe we need to continue to innovate and stay ahead. We will continue to pursue our strategy of customer first, relevant products, and operational excellence in the coming year. We believe the growth engines of M-Pesa and mobile data will continue to deliver value for customers in the coming year. Customer analytics-driven strategy is expected to help sustain and marginally grow the traditional telco revenue streams. I'm also quite excited about the possibilities in the adjacent sectors, which I believe we are well positioned to service. Fiber to the home, Lipa na M-Pesa, e-commerce are all exciting propositions which we believe will help Safaricom to drive new growth strategies. Last but not the least, we would also pursue the opportunities to grow M-Pesa beyond the boundaries of Kenya.